Welcome everyone to this session of digital electronics, and in this session we will discuss the concept of octal addition, right? So let's start our question. So first question, let us say, so suppose 2 is given in octal system plus 4 is also given in octal system, right? So suppose if you have to solve, so directly you will get 2 plus 4 will be 6 and directly answer will be 8, right? Okay, next we will do a little complicated question. In which there will be concept of carry will be there. So this is important. Okay, so let's write down the question. So suppose 7 is in octal and you have to add 4 which is also in octal, right? So now in this case you can't add directly. So suppose it is like this 7 plus 4, right? Um, as per the definition of octal, we have already studied the octal system. So if somebody doesn't have the idea, they can see the recording of the previous lectures. So octal number system start from 0 and it will move all the way to 7, right? So 0, 1, 2, 3 and up till 7, maximum value is 7, right? Okay, now because we have to add 4 into 7, so this is the last value, because after 7 there is no number and we have to add something in this. So after 7 we will again start counting from 0 itself, right? So after 7 there will be a carry whenever we will complete one round from 0 to 7. After that, if we have to again start counting from 0, then there will be a carry, right? And we will count because we have to add 4, so we will count up till 4 digits. So 0 will be the first one, this will be second, this will be third, and this will be fourth, right? So what is the answer that you got? The answer is 3. And what is the carry? So because we have completed one round, so there will be carry as 1, so therefore the answer will be 13, right? So that is why the answer will be 13 and it will be in octal system. Clear? So this is the same way as we discussed for decimal system, right? Like in case of decimal system, last number is what? 9. And after 9 you take the carry, the general addition that you studied from right from your childhood. In that, after 9 you take the carry, right? Because in case of decimal number system, maximum number is 9. Okay, let's take one example of this also. Like for example, if you have to add 9 plus 4, right? Suppose both are in decimal system, so what happens after 9 there will be carry in case of decimal, right? So you have to taken care of the system name also. So because you have to add 4, so this is the first number, this second, this is third, this is fourth, right? So ultimately what is the answer that you got? So again here you will get 3 as the answer, and 1 will be the carry, so therefore 13 will be the answer, and it is in decimal system, right? So concept clear? So this way we can solve for the decimal system. Okay. So let's do one more question on the octal system so that the concept will be cleared further. Suppose the question given is 16, 16 in octal plus suppose 15 is given and it is also given in octal, right? Now if you have to solve, so what will be the answer here? 16 plus 15 will be equal to how much? So you can't add directly. So again, we have to go by the same concept. So you have to, let's write quickly the numbers for octal system. So last number is 7, right? Okay, now you have to add the given number is 6 and in that you have to add 5. So this is first, and after 7 there will be carry, obviously, right? We will write carry here also. So this will be the second number. 7 was the first number, 0 second, then third, then fourth, then fifth, right? So if you add 6 and in that if you add 5, so ultimately you will get 3 as the answer here, and 1 carry, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, ultimately you will get 3 here, right? So 33 will be the answer and it will be in octal system. So concept clear? So means basic meaning is that we have the last number is 7, so we have to conclude according to this, right? So after 7, always whenever we will complete one round from 0 to 7, after that there will be carry, and according to that we have to again start, right? So I hope the concept is clear. So thank you everyone. Thanks for the session. If you still have any doubt, you can write in the chat box.